Hey YouTube friends, welcome to Arcade Treasure Center. My name is Roy. Well, I've got some items to sold. I've got my list, so let's go pull those items. The first item down in here. Let me get this smoothed out of the way. Don't need those. And it's going to be close to the top because I just got through listing it. Alright, so this is the first item that's sold. It's a Breitling Swiss Chronograph Hat. Picked this hat up at a thrift store before all the virus stuff hit. It was really nice. It's brand new. It just doesn't have the tag, so I'm gonna say it's brand new. It's in excellent condition anyway. I'm not quite brand new. I don't know. Yeah, and brand new. And it's sold for $14 plus the buyer paid the shipping. So I'll put that back there. The next item that's sold is going to be in here, and it's behind this stuff. So let me see if I can dig it out. It's going to be right down here on the bottom, way down in here. All right, wrapped in plastic right here is this really nice. See if I can get it so you can kind of see it. It's a Murano Glass art glass. It's yellow and white. This was a really good find. Another one of those found at the thrift store. It does have like a little spot, and you can't see it through here, but it did have like a little spot where it got maybe hit, like a little, what I call mosquito bite chip or mark. But it was still a really excellent piece. You can't see it. Actually, I can see the piece. It's right in there. Anyway, this sold for $20 shipped. And I didn't charge shipping. I did mark it down a little bit, and that's why I only sold at $20, was because of that little mark right there. But that's okay, because I think I only paid about $1.50, $1.90. Usually at that thrift store, I usually pay $1.98 or $1.99 is what they charge their prices. So it was a good find. All right, and then back here in the back, around the corner and all the way down to the end, I sold two more of these garden nets. These are the garden nets that I picked up that you see me sell all the time. I'm almost out of them. These are going to two separate buyers, retail arbitrage items. And they're both sold for $12.95 shipped. $12.95, $12.95. Really good find when you only paid $1 a piece for them. So I'll take the labels off of their stickers off there and send them out. All right, the next item is going to be over here in the Hope bin. And we're looking for number 108, which is 109, 108. It's this one here. Oh, this is really nice. I like that one. This was a consignment shop find, and what this is in here, and I'll show the picture. It's a fossil purse. It's a pebbled fossil purse. Live long. It's designed after the 1954 Live Long fossil purse, or like the original fossil purses, I guess. I don't know. That's what they call it. Anyway, it's all leather. It's pebbled. It's got the fossil emblem, the markings, the key. It was a pretty good little find. Paid about $3 for it. Sold it for a total of, sold it for $24.99, and the buyer paid the shipping. And it does have some weight to it. So this little purse does have some weight. So it's going to be going out probably, I'm going to say probably first class. The reason being is all the hardware on here is all solid brass. And it's got a lot of it on there. It's a heavy little purse, even without anything in it. Another good little find. All right, and then the last item to grab real quick is going to be in this bin that we were in earlier. And it's not that one. It's going to be this one wrapped up here. You set that down, put the lid back on. Okay. I know you can't see it, but I'll tell you what it is. This is a Spanish Matador It's 1950s. It's felt. It's made of felt. It's got wire in it. And it's made by an artist by the name of, and I'll tell you, Clump Rolden. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Of course, you're looking at the picture right now, and you might be able to read what it says. But it's a really nice, neat little Spanish Matador. Stands about 10 inches tall. And he sold for $22.99. Shipped. Free shipping. That might have been a mistake. Might have been supposed to have been buyer pays. But no problem. Nothing. You know, very little into it, so still going to make some money on it. So let me get these wrapped up, and these are the 6 items going out today. Hope you enjoyed this video. All you resellers out there, when you get the opportunity, find it, sell it, profit. Everyone else, take care, be safe, be kind to one another. Have a great day.